So this is my patio garden, and I use a mix of planters. This year, I purchased 5 7-gallon and two 10-gallon grow bags with side holes. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of using these grow bags. The grow bags have been great. Right now, I have cherry tomatoes, peppers, and strawberries in them. I was going to try squash in one of the larger grow bags, but ended up putting all the squash and cucumber plants in the garden at the farm. Hi, my name is Amy, and welcome to my channel, where I talk about organic gardening, wildlife, and nature education. A grow bag is a container made of porous material that holds soil and allows water and air to flow through it. This makes grow bags perfect for gardening because the plants can get the necessary nutrients and oxygen they need to grow. Grow bags are made from thick, non woven fabric that is breathable due to the small holes. They are frequently produced from recycled plastic, specifically spun bound polypropylene, which is considered safe for gardens. So, my peppers are loving the grow bags, which makes sense because peppers like good air circulation. Grow bags are great for allowing good airflow around the roots, and that means less mildew and fungal issues. So in this one, I have two sweet peppers, and then I put strawberries in the side holes. However, the strawberries at the top are doing really well, but the strawberries in the three lowest holes died. This is a water flow issue. It's been very dry, and so I water by carrying out gallon jugs of water. I have even put water in the slips and those side holes, but that has just not been enough to adequately water them. My biggest con with the grow bags is that they dry out quickly, and I mean quickly. I inadvertently missed one watering with the tomato on the left, and yikes! Fortunately, it did bounce right back after watering. Another con is just water seepage during watering. I've spent the last 29 years off the grid using cistern water, and I'm very conservative with water. It might seem silly, but this water running out of the bag bugs me. What I like is that they are super light, and the fabric bags can easily fit right up next to other types of containers. I can squish a whole lot on my patio. They are fabulous for urban gardeners. This picture was from about 6 weeks ago, so you can see how well everything is doing. I linked the grow bags I'm using in the description. When you use one of my links, we get a small commission, and that money helps us do education programs and support wildlife rehabilitators. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me grow. Thanks for watching, and have a fabulous sunny day.